What's up, everybody? Matt from Spark here. Going to do another quick video to go over everything as far as a new app coming out. The new app was scheduled to come out this month. Unfortunately, the goalposts have moved, and I am now hoping for July 1st with a beta test starting the first week of June. Is that going to happen? I'm trying everything in my power to get it done. It may not, but it's a good thing because this way you're not getting a half-baked app when it does come out. It's going to be perfect. So, to prepare for that, we're going to go over everything one more time. So, you're going to go into your app, you're going to go to Cloud Connect. If you see this screen where your email is listed and the last synced date and time is current, you could stop watching the video, you're good to go. All right. If the email you are logged in with is not your current email, send me an email and I'll update it for you to one you have access to or use currently. If your Cloud Connect is off, or if you have red error messages below the date or where the date should be, this video is mostly for you, right? So if you have Cloud Connect off or red error text, pay attention. So you're going to go to calendar transfer. You're going to do calendar plus data. And you're going to do this for each calendar you use. I have a whole bunch that I play with helping people, but you're going to do it for each one. Most people, they have one or two. When you hit submit, it's going to give you a code. 5 boy Adam Thomas David Nora Eddie 25. Right? Write it down. Send it as a text, send it as an email. I can't do that because I'm on the computer right now, right? So when you get that code, you're good to go. It's going to close. You go back to Cloud Connect. If your Cloud Connect is off, turn it on. If you think you have an email that you've used prior, try resetting your email, right? So if this is off like this, right, you're going to turn it on. And you could try logging in if you can't remember. If you think you had an account, put your email in, send yourself a password reset, see if it works. If it doesn't, we're going to have to create a new account. So you're going to go to don't have an account, enter in your information. Some people don't want to enter their first and last name. It helps me find your account when you have a problem. So it's only between you, me, and the server. I'm not selling your information, so don't feel funny putting it in. So name, email, password, no referral code, create an account, right? So that's for people that aren't sure if they had an account or their Cloud Connect was off and they know they didn't have an account. Now, if you have an account or if your Cloud Connect is on and you have the red error messages, whether there's an error with your validating your account, there's a password problem, and there's an update password button, if that's what you see, you are going to turn Cloud Connect off. But remember, make sure you have those codes, okay? Turn it off, right? Same thing as the prior group. You can turn it back on. Try logging in. If you can't remember your password, forgot password, put your email in, hit proceed, and you're going to get an email code or code emailed to you at that email, right? If that code for some reason starts with a 0, you're going to have to wait about an hour to get a new code. For some reason, the zeros don't work. The app will delete the 0 and it won't let you log in. So if you get a code with a 0, I apologize, but you have to wait a little bit and request a new code. So once you get the code, it's going to log you in automatically. Let me log back in. All right, so I logged back in, and everybody, once they log back in, should see a perfectly working Cloud Connect screen. It should have, eventually it'll have a date and a time. You can hit the refresh button to do that, and it'll eventually come up with a date and time, right? So May 5th, 2:45 p.m. Now, for those of you, when you go to your calendar and everything's missing, right? Click calendars and make sure the calendars that you use are clicked. So like I use this one, and then if I had any device calendars like my Google Calendar or my Apple Calendar, I click those and then use the holidays in the system calendar, right? So make sure they're all checked. If you check them all off and there's nothing showing up, or if your Spark calendar isn't showing up, that's what the code is for. You're going to go back to calendar transfer. You're going to click import. It might look a little different on iOS, and you're going to enter the code here, right? You enter the code, you hit import, and everything should come back. You're just going to have to go back to calendars and check it off. All right. Any issues? You're better off emailing me at matt, M-A-T-T, at sparkcal.com. That for some reason that email is working better than my Gmail. The Gmail, some people aren't getting my emails, and I don't know why. I will put my email in the description. Again, this is very important because the way the data is going to come over to the new app is based on your Cloud Connect account. So if the new app goes live and you don't have a Cloud Connect account with an email attached to it, when you sign up for the new account, that new account on the new app is not going to be able to find your old data. So if you watch the video or see this video and know someone else that uses Spark that doesn't know, please tell them. I'm going to do everything possible to get this out there as much and as frequently as possible. Better than the last time because that video was too long. And that's it. Any questions again, any problems, shoot me an email. You can message me on Facebook. That works too. I appreciate you guys taking the time to take care of this, and I think it'll be well worth it once the new app comes out. Thanks, guys. See you soon.